You and I know that when we start prayer, a lot of the times we fulfill it as a duty. Start fulfilling it as an honor and see the difference. When we fulfill the 5 daily prayers, a lot of us, we want to get over and done with it. Where is he or she who is considering it an honor? You arrive in the masjid a little bit earlier. You take your time to read a little bit of the voluntary prayer. The sunnah is what depicts and determines who exactly you are in terms of your link with Allah. I have the time to offer much more than what's just an obligation to me. If a person you love most tells you, you have 5 minutes with me, sit and talk, let's see, you would want to extend the time. Why? Because you love them a lot. In 5 minutes, I'm not going to manage to say what I want. So in that particular case, you would ask for more time. If they said, I give you more time, it would be an honor. And if you just took more time and they didn't mind at all, what would happen? Why is it with our most beloved being the Creator Himself? Thereafter, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, we find ourselves not fulfilling enough when it comes to the type of salah, the duration of the prayer, the amount of time we spend reading the life of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam.